Well, I tried to fly the Phantom 4 with DJI Go 4, and it it I had it connecting to the aircraft. I had the controller connecting to the aircraft in the house, and when I went outside, I tried to start it, and they were both connected. But when I opened up the DJI Go app, it wouldn't it wouldn't connect. It wouldn't let me go into it. It just stopped. You okay? You won't see it. I've already cut that part out. But I took it off and got it in the air, and that was fine, even without the DJI Go app. And so once it was in the air, I just let it hover, and it was doing fine. And I opened up the Litchi app, and that's what you're seeing here, with all the telemetry around the edge. That's exactly what I see on the screen. I was using a AZ screen recorder. That's what you're seeing here. And so I don't know. It's got some problems. I been spending all night so far updating the firmware on the drone. Maybe that'll get rid of it. I'm recharging the battery now, and the controller, and in the morning I'll hook it all up here in the room, and let's see if I can get back into it with the DJI Go, because I mean, this is a picture through the camera, but I've seen better. Let's put it that way. So anyways, I didn't go too far, didn't go too high. And I think I got a 19 and a half minutes in the air. So that's pretty good. That's better than the Phantom 3. I'm using a PowerExtra aftermarket battery in the drone. I'm using the Phantom 3 Pro controller, which everything works fine. I couldn't get the it wasn't controlling the camera. You should be able to set the camera inside, the stuff inside the camera, the focus and stuff like that. You should be able to do from the controller, but apparently it's not connected. Anyway, the mail didn't get here with my props till after 1 o'clock today, about 2 or 3. So I didn't have propellers. There was no sense in messing with it before that. Once I got props on it, it was too hot. It was 92 degrees. Too hot to go out. So I just took a nap. I think I woke up about a little after 6 o'clock, went out about 6:30 and started this flight. can see the angle of the sun. It's still, at 10 o'clock at night, it's still 66 degrees, which is hot for Wisconsin. Anyway, the flight is nice and smooth. You can see the telemetry around the screen. That's what I've been after. I'm in GPS mode now. See those artifacts? I don't know what that's from. Don't like it though. Flew a lot further with the Phantom 3. And none of that stuff on the screen. Well, this is the screen recorder. I'm not looking through the camera. You can see over on the right that red dot. That's the camera's not running. I mean, it's the camera is working. It's just the camera app inside the software is not recording what the camera is seeing. I'm seeing it on my screen recorder. It's sending a signal back to the controller, and from the controller to my tablet. That's what you're seeing. And I've set the reaction to the sticks. I've slowed everything down a little bit so it doesn't get people dizzy.